and welcome to the far side of 40. Today is February 19th, and you know what that means? You don't? Yeah, neither did I until a couple of days ago. Turns out February 19th is National Lash Day. Who knew? I guess the makeup industry decided that would be a good idea, so I thought I'd play along. So let's talk about lashes. I have never worn false lashes up until very recently. They just weren't a thing in the circles that I went around in. I didn't really know anybody who wore false lashes. Don't actually know too many people now who wear false lashes, but I started seeing them on YouTube and Instagram, and I got really intrigued. And so I thought I would give them a try. But being 48 years old, I didn't want anything that was really wacky or out there or really crazy. You know, as you see some of these girls, these younger girls wearing these false lashes that are just thick and fluttery, and oh, I think they're gorgeous. But I just felt like that would be really, really strange for me. So I started looking for some more natural looking lashes that would just kind of enhance what I already had. And I found some, and I wanted to just share those with you. My favorite ones are the ones that I'm wearing right now. Can you even tell a difference? I don't know. I can tell a difference. I feel like they just kind of darken and thicken up my lashes just a little bit. So they are by Lash. Here we go. And the number is 031 Natural. And if you look at the lashes in the package there, you can see they look very natural. They are not very thick. They just add a little bit of volume and a little bit of length to your own lashes. But that's about it. They're nothing wild. They're fairly comfortable, I would say. I mean, anytime you glue something on your eyelids, I don't know that it's going to be really comfortable, but they're not bad. Let me put it to you that way. They're not bad. They're not heavy at all, so you don't really feel them throughout the day, other than just feeling like there's something a little bit different with your eyelids. But they're relatively easy to put on. Now, I will link a video below that I think is the best video that I have found for how to put on lashes. It's by Emily Noel 83, and she does a great tutorial from how to choose lashes to what type of glue to use to how to put them on, how to trim them. These in particular, these 031s, I did not have to trim at all. And when I'm talking about trimming, you're not talking about trimming the length of the lash itself. You're talking about trimming the band from side to side if they're a little bit too long for your eyes. So these I didn't have to trim at all. They're actually almost a little bit short for me, but that's okay. I'd prefer that than rather than having to trim them. So that's the Lash 031, and again, it's what I have on right now. And I will insert a before picture here so you can see the difference between my lashes without the false lashes on and with the false lashes on. Now, if you want something a little bit more dramatic, these are the Ardell Natural lashes, and the style number is, hang on, 109. I want to make sure I read that right. So these are Ardell Naturals in 109. And they are also very natural looking, but they're a lot longer. So not a whole lot more volume, but what you are going to get from these is more length. And you may prefer that. I don't prefer these because I do wear glasses when I read, and these are too long. They hit my glasses. So that doesn't work for me, but it might work for you. And also, just so you know, the length of the lash is not what determines whether or not they're going to hit your glasses. There's a lot of factors there. One of the factors is how prominent the bridge of your nose is and how deep set your eyes are. So just because these don't work for me with glasses doesn't mean they won't work for you. Just try some different styles and see what works for you. But anyway, that's the Ardell Naturals in 109. And then finally, a very inexpensive lash that I found. This is on the Shop Miss A website. These are by Cara Beauty, and they're the number S2 lashes. And these are a little bit different in that they are different lengths. They're longer on the outer edge and they're shorter on the inner edge. I'm talking about the length of the lash itself. So it gives you more of a kind of a fluttery look, and these are really, really pretty. These are only $1, and there's a reason for that. They're not the best quality. I can't wear them more than once, honestly. After one wear, I just kind of have to toss them. So if you just want, you know, just something fun to try, these are a good try from the Shop Miss A website. Again, that's the Cara Beauty number S2, and they say black. I don't think they come in any colors other than black. So another thing about lashes that's important to know is the glue or the adhesive that you use. The most lashes, these Eylures did and the Ardells did, most lashes come with a teeny tiny tube of adhesive that's provided by the company. Most of the time those adhesives are okay, but I prefer the Duo brand adhesive. I think it just works a little bit better. Can't tell you why, can't tell you the difference as far as ingredients or anything, but I feel like they just grab the lashes on and hold them a little bit better than what's included in the lash kits themselves. One final tip with lashes. So if you're going to wear false lashes, I would suggest that you wear a light mascara. And when I say light, I'm not talking about light in color. I'm just talking about a very light coat of mascara on your lashes. If you put a heavy, thick mascara on and then you try to put the lashes on, you're not going to get a real good blend between your lashes and the false lashes. So I use my CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara, which is, it's a good mascara, but it just doesn't do a whole lot for my lashes. But it at least colors them black, as my lashes are blonde. So if I didn't put any mascara on at all, you would have blonde and black lashes mixing and it wouldn't look really good. So a light mascara is definitely what you need when you're wearing false lashes. And finally, when you're done putting on the lashes, go back with your lash curler once they have set and dried. Go back with your lash curler and give them a curl. And the idea there is just to kind of blend your lashes in with the falsies so that they don't look like two different sets of lashes on your eyes. So anyway, happy National Lash Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button below and consider subscribing to my channel. Normally I upload one video a week and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.